everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flower. If you're new here, my name is Robin, and this is our puppy Austin. We adopted Austin back in December as a rescue, and he's about 11 months old, and he is still all puppy. He is super goofy, and his ears definitely reflect that goofy personality of his. He is the center of attention in our home, and he just loves to be in as many videos of mine as possible, and I know you guys have asked to see more of him. He often steals the show. When it comes to our home and our family, I like to use as many natural products as possible, and I'm discovering more and more how to use essential oils to do that. You may have heard that some essential oils can be toxic to dogs, and that is true. So part of what I'm going to talk to you about today is how to incorporate them in a safe way for your pets. Simply Earth is where I purchase all of my essential oils, and this month they have a recipe box dedicated to natural pet care. The May recipe box comes with 4 essential oils that are completely safe for your pet, plus recipes and the ingredients you'll need to make them. I'm going to be showing you 4 recipes today, and the first one is for Pet Odor Eliminator Spray, which I'm really excited about because we could really use it around here. To make this spray, all you will need to do is combine 10 drops of ginger essential oil, 20 drops of Peace and Quiet essential oil blend, 2 ounces of distilled water into a spray bottle, and this aluminum one comes with this month's recipe box. Ginger is great for eliminating odors, and the Peace and Quiet blend contains lime, cedarwood, frankincense, and sweet orange essential oils, which are all great for eliminating odors as well. But do be cautious when using it around cats because some are not a fan of citrus oils. I have tested this on Austin and he really likes it, and can I tell you, it really does help eliminate the odors. The next recipe is for Anti-Anxiety Diffuser Blend. You will need 2 drops of the Peace and Quiet essential oil blend along with 1 drop of juniper berry essential oil. And you just add the oils to your diffuser and diffuse them in an open room. Always be sure to leave the door open in case your pet is sensitive to the smell, and this way they can leave the room if it bothers them. This oil blend has such a pleasant smell, and it should promote a feeling of calm in your pet. It's great to use when you need to leave them home alone or during other times of stress like a thunderstorm. This video is not sponsored by Simply Earth, but they did gift me this month's recipe box, and they also have a great offer for you guys when you use my referral link. Simply Earth is my favorite source for 100% pure essential oils. I also love that Simply Earth gives 13% of their profits to end human trafficking. In addition to their subscription recipe boxes, you can also purchase individual essential oils and blends, and they are at about 1/3 the price of the major brands. When you use my link in the description box below, you'll receive a $40 gift card when you buy your first subscription box from Simply Earth, and the subscriptions can be canceled at any time. This is a really great value, and whether you are completely new to essential oils and you would just like to try them out, or if you have been using them for years, you really should check out Simply Earth. As a pet owner, there are some tasks that just aren't fun for everyone, like giving a bath. I know this is definitely not Austin's favorite thing. We always try to make it as comfortable as possible for him, and when it's cold outside, we do use our shower so that he can have warm water and not be too cold. But we have had some really beautiful warm weather, in fact rather hot weather here in Texas, so this is actually very refreshing for him today. But he is not in love with getting wet, so we give him some treats and try to make it fun. All of the oils that I'm using in the recipes I'm showing you today are non-toxic for pets. But with that said, there are some basic tips to use when introducing essential oils to your pet. Always allow them to smell the recipe before applying it, so you'll know if they react negatively. And always leave an escape for your pet when using essential oils so that they can leave the room if it bothers them. Start small and slowly when introducing essential oils into your pet care routine for the best experience for you and your fur babies. like to use all natural shampoos for Austin. We use the Burt's Bees, and it's a moisturizing formula that works great. Even so, he still gets dry skin, and so this fur and skin conditioner recipe is perfect for him. This month's recipe box comes with a 1-ounce container, and to that I'm going to add 10 drops of juniper berry essential oil. Then add 6 drops of ginger essential oil and 6 drops of citronella essential oil. Then add 4 tablespoons of almond oil. Massage a small amount into your pet's coat to help balance and lock in your pet's natural skin oil. And this can also be applied to dry patches of skin on your pet. I think this was Austin's favorite. The last recipe I'm going to show you today is for a tick and mosquito collar, which I think is a great idea. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of almond oil, 20 drops of juniper berry essential oil, and 10 drops of citronella essential oil. And you just combine these with the carrier oil to make it safe for your pet, and you will pour that mixture into 1 cup of distilled water. It has been mixed well, soak the bandana that comes in the recipe box, or if you have your own at home, you can do this as well. You just soak it in the mixture and then wring it out and hang to dry. When the bandana is dry, you can wrap it around your pet's neck to help repel ticks and mosquitoes. Store any remaining mixture in a sealable container. You can use it to refresh your bandana with the mixture as needed. Austin is going to love sporting his new bandana, and he has such a thick neck that this bandana didn't quite work wrapped around the traditional way, so we decided to modify it by tying it in a little knot around his existing collar. I think this is going to be a great solution for giving him some extra protection from flea and ticks this summer, and I think that his little tie looks so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and that you have some new ideas for making homemade pet products that are all natural and safe for your pet using essential oils, and I hope you guys will check out Simply Earth. Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber, and I really appreciate you guys' support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.